Hi, welcome back to another PageFly video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you ways to name a section in PageFly. Clearly named sections will help boost your workflow when you have to deal with a lot of sections, especially while working on section-specific tasks like assigning click action. There are two ways you can name a section. 1. Name a section in General tab. Choose a section here. Go to General tab. Scroll down to Attributes and click on More Settings. Here, you can easily change the name of the selected section. I'll name it Shop Our Collection section, just like what it is. 2. Name a section in the outline. On Page Outline, look for a three-dot icon of the section whose name you want to change. Click on it, select Rename. Change the name of the section and press Enter when you're done. As I said earlier, the purpose of this is to boost your workflow when you deal with pages containing lots of sections. So, here, I'll demonstrate via click action. Select this button on the hero banner. In General tab, select Click Action, then scroll to Section. Then in Scroll to Section drop-down menu, I can easily choose Shop Our Collection section, which would have been difficult if I just had a bunch of options named sections. Click Save and Publish. Now check the live view to see if it works. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter.